Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Tellor. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Tellor was testing this long-term support of $30 and geared up. And now you can see that we have a very powerful bullish candlestick that is breaking out this very long-term resistance of $45. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that we have completely broken out this resistance of $45. And within the next few hours, when this daily candlestick will be closed, then this breakout will be more confirmed on the daily time frame chart as well. If I place another trend line here at this point of rejection, let me show you on this 1-hour time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is rejected by this point of rejection that we have here at $56.67. If we move to the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this level of $56.67 has been previously breaking as a point of rejection here, and here it has been acting as support, and support, therefore, again, it is acting as a very strong resistance for the price line of Tellor. If we move back on the daily time frame chart, then you can see that both oscillators, this stochastic is about to enter the overbought zone, and RSI is completely overbought. Therefore, now if we will receive a crossover like this blue line, the fast line will cross down the orange line, that will be a bear cross. Then we may see a consolidation above $45 resistance that can now act as a support. And by the way, there was another resistance, an uptrend line resistance here. We had a rejection here, rejection. You can see that we got few rejections here, rejections here. Now we are also breaking out this resistance as well. And if we will have a daily closing above this resistance, then this uptrend line can also act as a support for the price line of TRB. And if the price line breaks out this next resistance of $56.67, then an imminent move is possible up to the next resistance of $70. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this long-term down channel that I've been showing you in so many previous videos. And we will also take a look at the very massive breakout that is already happened here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal mentioned in this report, like here we have the trade signal for Peanut. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target. And this was a very massive pump, by the way, from approximately 35 cents, 35.5 cents to 41.6 cents, only on 1-hour time frame chart. Now let's move to the live chart of TRB. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that TRB has already broken out this very big and long-term down channel since after 26th of November 2024. It had been moving inside this channel. And now recently we have broken out the resistance, and now we are breaking out this very long-term resistance of $45. And we are also breaking out this uptrend line resistance as well. If you take a look at the smaller time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that we have broken out these both resistance levels. This uptrend line resistance and this long-term resistance of $45. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. If you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this $45, this one, has been previously working as support here and resistance here for a few weeks in the month of August 2022. Therefore, again, it is working as a resistance. And now the next resistance is here. That is at $56.67. If you take a look at the hourly time frame chart, then you can see that we had rejection here, and now the pricing is getting accumulated, or we are watching some price consolidation here. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart once again, then so far both oscillators are bullish, and they are entered the overbought zone. It is entering, the stochastic is entering, and RSI is completely overbought. If stochastic will turn bearish, like this blue line, the fast line will cross down the orange line, then we may see some price accumulation above this support of $45. That can be another very nice entry for a long term. And in case the price breaks down this support of $45, then we can expect a big drop up to this next major support of $30 that we were watching a few hours ago when it was just down from this support. At that support, the price can once again drop down. However, this is a very long-term support. Once the daily candlestick will be closed above this support of $45, then it will be really, really very difficult for the price and to break it down. And we will need to watch out the next resistance here at $56.67. In case of breaking out this resistance, any minute move is possible up to the next long-term resistance of $70 that has been recently breaking as a resistance here for several days of weeks and resistance here as well. And here as a support and here as a support as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of TRB. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $100. Now, if you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you almost for the past 2 or 3 years when it was moving inside this wedge. In those days, I've been telling you that once TRB will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And our technical target that I was telling you was here at the top of the wedge at $165. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to $626. That was, by the way, from this low to this high. That was almost or more than 8,000. Here, by the way, that was at 8,294%. Very, very massive pump. And now we have here a very, very strong long-term key resistance on that side from $144 and goes to $165. That has been previously acting as a resistance on here, resistance here, and resistance here. In my opinion, if the price line moves here to hit this resistance of $100, this target of this channel of $100, then soon it can also try to break out this resistance on once again. That starts from $144 and goes to $165. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.